makes you want to get up out of your chair and start discoing around. 11:45 here, we got Rusty B up at lunchtime to carry you through for an awesome lunch period with some great music. I guarantee he's probably got something to give away at some point, so you might want to tune in. But Madonna's still here with us.
Yeah, and speaking of sweet, obviously there's been lots of research that says that sugar doesn't cause anything to do with health, but that is such a bunkum.
Really?
Yeah, so dermatologists have been quoting it. There was one study done in 1969 that I believe is still in their literature to this day, and it was on a bunch of people, and they basically gave them 4 different types of chocolate bars.
Okay.
And then it was very much a visual, you know, what percentage of the face had acne, was there any change when they changed the type of chocolate bar? And there was no change, so therefore they decided that, anyway, the whole thing was ridiculous. It was pretty funny because it was pulled apart at a conference for us by a researcher, and he said, this is still the reason they haven't done any updated studies. Guess what? It's not popular to say that sugar's bad for your skin, so no one wants to fund that research and be blamed.
Sugar is good for your
So
skin.
anyway, I just thought that was amusing.
That was really, really good actually. We'll be right back in a minute. We're going to talk about where you can go and get all your help here. That Madonna's been giving us some great info. And if you want to need to know, or you need to know, just get my words out properly. If you need to know any more and you want to do something about your skin issues, Madonna's the best person to talk to, and she's going to be up in just a minute to tell you exactly where you need to go.